A groundbreaking wildlife tracking project has successfully monitored an Amur falcon's extraordinary transcontinental migration, revealing new insights into avian navigation and endurance. Scientists from the Wildlife Institute of India have traced the journey of Chioluan, a small raptor that has traversed thousands of kilometers from Manipur to Kenya, crossing multiple countries and vast geographical barriers. The male Amur falcon, radio-tagged in Manipur's Tamenglong district, has completed a significant portion of its annual migration and is currently heading towards Tsavo East National Park in Kenya. The bird's journey represents a critical milestone in understanding these remarkable migratory patterns. Researchers captured the falcon on October 12 during its stopover in Manipur, along with a female bird named Guangram. The tracking project, initiated in 2018 under the Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, aims to document the intricate migration routes of these resilient birds. After being released on November 8 with a satellite transmitter, Chioluan-2 demonstrated extraordinary navigational skills. The falcon first reached Orissa's coastal region on November 15, then proceeded through Maharashtra before crossing the Arabian Sea to enter Somalia and subsequently Kenya. Amur falcons undertake an astonishing annual migration of approximately 14,500 kilometers, traveling from their breeding grounds in southeastern Siberia and northern China to wintering locations along southern and East African coast. These small raptors typically spend around 45 days roosting in northeastern Indian regions, replenishing energy reserves for their grueling journey. Dr. Suresh Kumar from WII highlighted the significance of this tracking mission, emphasizing the research potential to enhance understanding of long-distance avian migration patterns and conservation strategies.